In today's video, I'll show you how to get rid of active Windows watermark on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first what you have to do is just right click on your start and then just click on run. In here, type regedit, which is regedit, regedit, and click on OK. Click on yes and give it administrator permission. So after this opens up, from here you need to go inside HKey local machine, just expand this. From here, go inside systems, then go inside current control set, then go inside services. And inside services, just scroll all the way down till you find S. And after you find S, you need to find something called SVSVC and just click on it. It will have multiple entries over here. You just need to find this start one. Just double click on it. And after that, you're going to set the base to hexadecimal and make sure to set the value to 4. Then just click on OK. Then just close everything from here. Then just click on start and just go ahead and restart your computer. And when you come back, your Activate Windows watermark should be gone. Now note one thing, this is a workaround. This is not an official fix, or this won't fix your Activate Windows problem. If you want to remove the Activate Windows, you must officially buy a license key and activate your Windows. And only then you can use all the features. So keep that in mind. And basically that is how to get rid of your watermark on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.